Hello, trading has closed on September 23rd, 2019. Let's go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. We said as long as this low held, we could have a strong rally, although I wanted to drop first. We got the drop first, but the low didn't hold. We had a rally, but it wasn't a particularly strong one. These targets did not print. There's no time limit on ultimate targets, but usually you don't have to wait long. But this MEJT target was at the same price as the ultimate. That didn't print and gets added to the list. We have a new target, 2987.67, and unless we gap up smartly, that's my call. Futures are indicating that gapping up smartly is quite likely. Well, here's the pattern. We said MEJT says it's false, and here's her target. It gave a buy signal in the afternoon, and that was already satisfied. Well, here's what we said. I wanted an early drop. We got that. I thought if the low held, we could have a strong rally. So the low didn't hold. We did rally, so the right direction, but not the right magnitude. This is not really a clear count to me. This is not the only valid count. What I'd like to do is have a strong rally and make lots of money on the upside. I like this to be wave brown 2. It's not really a clear count, and the main problem I have is if this were wave brown 3 up, I'd expect to be able to find lots of stocks I want to buy, and I'm really having trouble doing that. So it's possible that that's not the right count, but as long as it's working, I'm going to stick with it. Can always change our mind. It's an alternate count. Here was how we had end of 2. We had 5 waves up for 1. Now have an ABC with C equal to A. If you look at the internals of wave B, you get an ABC. And then you'd want to start a 5-wave rally. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be a wave 1 of some degree. And if that's wave 1, wave 5 is a Fibonacci relationship, so it's plausible. And if you look at this drop after that supposed wave 5, that would be this. And if this line's 100%, 78.6 is right there. So this could be 5 waves up, 3 waves down. We're gapping up. This could be a third wave of multiple degree rally. Hard as it is for me to believe without the breadth I want to see. Well, here's what I've got. Tuesday's pattern has the early low. We could gap up first. Typically, it's a rally into the final hour, the close near the high. If there's a big drop early, instead you get further weakness. We have a lower MEJT target. Unless we gap up smartly, it should print, but we still have higher targets, and it should print at some time, and usually you don't have to wait long. It's negative if we hit the low of day early, rallied all day, and we closed under all these highs. Unless we gap up and take out the highs fast, should lead to lower prices. But it's positive that we gap down, undercut this low, and we closed over all these lows. And once again, gapping, taking out this low invalidates the positive implications. Odds are you're going to be gapping outside today's range. We close essentially unchanged, and that usually precedes a big move. So the odds favor gapping out of the range with a big move. We have futures, the wave count, and the typical low to high daily pattern all say it's going to be a big, strong rally. But as always, if we gap down smartly, that idea is killed before the open. A day that usually starts out low, ends high tomorrow. Here's our target. But if we gap up, Don't look for it. Look for these numbers instead. And that's today's call.